This Millwood Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Cindy Long. Additional 3-acre lot, 51 Ash Lane, was purchased in front of property. Total lot size is 6.3 acres. Home is located in the beautiful Rolling Hills area with breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. This Country Chic features 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, with additional 2,000 square feet. A finished walkout basement, attached 3-car garage. Gorgeous new flooring throughout with rich detailed cabinetry, towering coffered ceilings. Open gourmet kitchen with large pantry. GEO Thermal -5 zone system, ICF home, high efficient. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Long at 785-822-5559.